everyone, yes, I have a mess of orange on my eyes. I'm doing neon orange today. Use the Kryolan. I am not doing good today. I'm in a lot of pain today. I don't know what I did to my back, but I used the UV orange. I almost wasn't going to do a video today, but I started to feel a little bit better, so I decided to go ahead and do my video. Anyway, I'm using the hot orange. It doesn't look neon. It looks more of like a red orange, but I'm going to put this on because I was having trouble. At first, it was coming out too patchy. Then I added water, and then it was like taking it off. So I'm just doing this doing both eyes just to make sure that it grabs on to the color. And then as usual, I put the black. I'm just trying to take a little bit off my brushes. This black is really strong. I'm taking the Virgin White face powder. I'm almost finished with that. I use it a lot. And I go ahead and I let it go on the black, because the black is so strong. I just go back in with the black and blend it with the white. Go over that white. I always have trouble with this part of my eye. Always when I do my makeup, it goes and it covers the lid on the inner corner because my eyes are so deep set. I'm wondering if I should have even used white as the highlight, the underbrow color. I think I'm just gonna just touch that bronzing color right there. Just gonna touch it and I think go over it just to warm it up because I think the white is clashing too much with the orange. And I'm gonna go into that bronzer and put it on my inner corner. Sorry. Here, let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I used the hot orange as blush. I used my beautiful Rocket from Line Crime as my lipstick. I had my neon orange, which I was going to put in the inner corner, and what I wound up doing was I put black and then I put it just under the black under my eyes. I don't usually like to do that because it looks like I'm sick, but this time I pulled it off. I used that same color as my inner corner highlight on the bottom, and then this is the regular highlight. And yeah, that's what I did. My hair is starting, more white is growing in, so I just trying to finish up my black powder from my hair. I'm gonna redo it anyway. I'm gonna touch it up anyway next week sometime.